How to do the sprinkler method glitch in Grow a Garden. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the sprinkler method. It is really fast way to grow your garden, especially with a glitch that makes your crops grow super big. So let's get started. First of all, go to the gear shop and buy one of the each sprinkler, a master sprinkler, a godly sprinkler, an advanced sprinkler, and a basic sprinkler. Next, go back to the garden and harvest everything. You want a completely empty garden before placing the sprinklers. Now place the sprinklers in the area where you want your crops to grow big. It does not matter exactly where, just spread them out. Once you've placed all four, here's a trick. Leave the game for at least an hour, and then when you come back, your garden should have started to grow huge. The glitch should be working and your crops will probably be ready to harvest or even bigger than usual. So this is a great way to farm quickly, and that's how you can use the sprinkler method glitch to grow your garden faster. If this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.